Planning to explore San Francisco, but don't want to carry your luggage all day? Radical Storage offers a fast and secure way to store your bags while you enjoy the city. In this video, I'll show you how to deposit your luggage at a luggage storage point in San Francisco using Radical Storage, a trusted platform that provides insured storage options. Radical Storage partners with local businesses such as hotels, shops, and cafes to ensure your luggage is safe and fully insured while you explore. Instead of searching for Radical Storage online and risking phishing sites, simply use the secure link in the video description to access the official Radical Storage website. Once on the site, type San Francisco into the search bar, and you'll see a list of available storage locations across the city. Choose a location that's convenient, whether near tourist attractions, transit stations, or downtown San Francisco. Next, select the drop-off and pick-up times that suit your plans and proceed to payment. Radical Storage ensures that online transactions are secure, so you can book with confidence. After your booking is confirmed, you'll receive a reference number and directions to the storage location. When you arrive at the designated location, present the reference to the staff, and they'll securely store your bags. That's all it takes. You can now explore San Francisco without the burden of your luggage, knowing it's safely stored with Radical Storage. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment.